Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So if you've tuned into this video, you're obviously looking for ways to make extra money or to work from home. And today I'll be talking to especially the creatives like myself. I consider myself a creative. This episode would be more for you. So there's actually ways in which you could use your talents or creativity to make money. Okay, so before I get started, please subscribe to my channel below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you're welcome to share it as well with someone who could benefit from this as well. Okay, so let's get started. The first way that you can make money is actually let me say the first one I will address to photographers. Okay, you can actually make money with your photography. Obviously, I mean, it's a service that you provide, but I know that it's seasonal work. So there's busy seasons and there's more quiet seasons. Okay, so you can actually use this to then make money in your more quiet seasons. So the first way you can make money obviously is to sell your photos. You can actually sell it online. Okay, so let's say for example you do wedding photography or events. So obviously that will be the type of work that you do in season, and then out of season you can maybe do nature photography or even family shoots and that sort of thing. However, the trick is, if you're going to be using pictures of people, you actually need a consent form. You need to get consent from the person. So you cannot sell pictures of people unless you have their consent. Okay, so if it's of images, items, nature, that sort of thing, you can sell those type of pictures. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a few sites that you can go onto and check that out if you're into photography and you want to make some extra money as well. Right, so the first one is FOAP. It's FOAP. It's actually, you can get an app on your phone as well. You can upload the pictures and they basically market it, and it's almost like an auction, or you can set the price as well, what it is that you want for the photo. The next one is Dreams Time or Companion, right? The next one is Display. So with Display, these are actually artists who design photos on metal. It looks amazing, guys. I know it sounds strange, but it's quite amazing. So that you can sell your designs to them. So if you're a graphic designer, you can also get in on this and sell your designs to them as well. And then the last one I'll be mentioning in terms of selling your photos online is Snapwire. Okay, so Snapwire as well, you can upload pictures and things, and you can sell them to the public, right? The next way that you can make money, this is something we know. I mean, if you have kids or young family members, you would know that with movies, especially kiddies movies, they do voiceovers, and it's not something we ever consider. So the second way that you can actually make money online is with voiceovers. Okay, so if you can sing, or if you just have a unique voice, right, you can actually do this, because there's companies that are looking for people with unique voices or with gifted, like you can sing, that sort of thing. And I'll give a few sites as well that you can go have a look if you have a good voice. Like I said, if this is not something that is applicable for you, please share it with someone that you know whom it can benefit, because it's ways to make money that we don't utilize, that we don't know about, and that's why I'm sharing these videos. So please subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be making as many of these, at least every week I'll be loading content. And I do research and things to get this information for you guys, and all you need to do is use what you can and share what you can't use, because I'm sure it can help someone out there. Okay, so the first site that you can go check out for voiceovers is called voices.com. So it's www.voices.com. There's another one, it's called The Money Pantry, right? www.themoneypantry.com. And then there's another one, it's called The Penny Hoarder, right? I'll put the names for you guys over here. Okay, so those are 3 sites that you can use for voiceovers. And then this is kind of the one I'm into right now. It's with The third way that you can actually use your gifts to make money is with vlogging or blogging. Okay, so obviously the platforms that you can use is Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, so these are three big platforms that we all know about, but we don't realize we can make money from these platforms. Okay, and I'm not going to give more information on that because I'll be making individual videos regarding that three platforms. So you need to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified on my next video. The first one I'll be dealing with is how to make money on Instagram. So if you're on Instagram and you have a growing following, right, you'll want to watch my next video. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't seen my previous video, so this episode was more linked to the creatives, right? So if you're more into freelance work or writing, typing, transcribing, you can watch my previous video. I'll link it for you. It'll show on the end. So if you watch this video till the end, you'll see a previous video, and obviously when I load the next one, you'll get notified as well. So thank you so much again, guys, and hope this video was helpful. Bye.